How to add clickable link on your Facebook post. So open the Facebook, then click on the plus icons, and you will see your like this profile, and you will see option like three lines, and add to your story, and not now, like desktop side open, and click on the photos like this post, and click on the three lines, and add story, and click on the like profile icon. So click on the photos options and select the three lines and add your photo like this, and add now, and create post option here. So you type the text, so add your link like this, my YouTube link, paste now. So copy and paste now, and add another photo and type the text location and share now, and the next button here, so click on it, and finally post now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.